Hey everyone, I'm here this week for a review of Kentucky Fried Chicken's new signature sauce, the Smoky Mountain Barbecue Sauce. So let's jump right into it. We got in this box. This looks like it's the mashed potatoes. Pull it down the bottom. Yeah, there it is. Some nice mashed potatoes. Those are the side, not quite as important. Bunch of napkins. Good, they gave me some silverware, a trusty spork. Here we go. Here's the meat and potatoes of this guy. So I opted to get the chicken tenders. You can get the Smoky Mountain barbecue sauce in tender form, in the form of chicken wings. And you can also get it on a chickie, the little sandwiches. I opted for the tenders. This is my dinner tonight, so I wanted to get a little bit more food, but also I'm not really a big fan of chicken wings in general. So it looks like they gave me, moving the biscuit, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. A couple of pickles on it. I think I'm gonna take the one with the pickles on it. Let's get that in here. All right. Okay. Definitely has a little bit of a smoky flavor. Doesn't really taste much like a barbecue sauce. Kind of more like a dried rub where they put like a little, I don't know, some sort of liquid on it. It's kind of sweet, not very spicy. It has kind of a peppery hint to it. This sauce really isn't that out there in your face. I'm gonna grab in this chunk. Seems like it's got a little bit more on it. Maybe that'll give me a better read on it. Okay. Yeah. Like the central flavor, the thing that they're really trying to sell you on, the smokiness, you can sort of feel that there. There's something else in here, and I'm not quite sure what it is. Maybe it's hickory? It seems right. Yeah, pretty mild. Inoffensive, a little bit of smokiness, a little bit of sweetness. It's got kind of a grainy texture, so it's a little odd. You know, it sort of feels like there's some like undissolved solids in the sauce. Don't really have a ton to say about this, unfortunately. Because it kind of doesn't really taste like anything. It's not really very in your face. It's like, it's just sort of mild all over the place. A little bit of smokiness, a little bit of sweetness, some salt. Yeah, hard to get a read on. I would give this one a 7 out of 10. Worth a shot. But I think their Georgia Gold honey mustard sauce or their Nashville hot is probably better than this one. I think this is the weakest of that trio. So thanks for tuning in, everyone. I'll be back next week with another review, and have a great weekend.